Hey there! VS Code introduced a new feature that shows the index of your open tabs. This can be useful when you have many tabs open and you want to quickly navigate between them using keyboard shortcuts. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who supports this channel, especially the 2.35k subscribers. Your support helps me continue creating clear and concise tutorials. Now let's get back to VS Code and see how to show the index of the open tabs. Press Ctrl and comma or Command comma on macOS to open the settings. Then search for workbench.editor.show tab index and then enable this setting. You can also directly modify your settings.json file by adding the following line: workbench.editor.show tab index, and then set the value to true. And now it's easier to navigate through tabs because you no longer have to count their position in your head. For example, to jump directly to the 5th tab, you can use Ctrl and 5 or Command 5 if you're on macOS. And that's it. Now you know how to enable tab indexes and quickly jump between your tabs using keyboard shortcuts. Don't forget to check out the other VS Code videos on this channel to find out how to customize your editor and boost your productivity. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.